Hi, I'm Jack from Crimson Trace. Today we're excited to talk about the new CMR 301 Railmaster Pro, laser and light combo, new from Crimson Trace. So let's talk about mounting the 301 to M-Lok rail sections. For this, you'll need the 301 unit itself, the battery, the included Allen wrench, mounting hardware, the long screws, and the two T-nuts, which you'll find pre-mounted inside the Picatinny mounting hardware. You'll need to pop those out and set those to the side for mounting the M-Lok rail sections. Also, if you want, we have the included remote switch for activating the unit. To get started, we're going to take the M-Lok mounting hardware, we're going to turn that upside down, and we're going to notice that there is an arrow with the word muzzle indicating the direction that the mounting hardware needs to face. We're going to take that and we're going to go ahead and pre-mount that into the unit itself, making sure that the arrow is in the same direction as the light and laser. From here, we can actually unscrew the light and install the battery, making sure we put the positive in first. We'll tighten the light back down, and now you're all set to turn the unit on. Now we'll take the long screws and insert those into the holes in the side of the 301 unit, and we'll use the T-nuts and attach those to the screws. And then we're going to take both of the T-nuts and make sure they're facing in the same direction, that way they can be fit into the M-Lok slots. Now we're going to mount it to the M-Lok rails. This is up to you. You can mount this on any section of your M-Lok rail as long as you have about 3 inches of rail. Slide those into the M-Lok slots and make sure the unit is flush with the side of the rail. We're now going to tighten down the screws with the included Allen wrench, and we're going to just hand tighten these guys. We're going to make sure that it's still flush and attached securely to the side of the unit, and there you go. That's how the unit attaches to the M-Lok rail sections. From here, we can take the remote switch and insert it to the base of into the hole at the base of the unit, pushing it in firmly, and then giving it a good twist, and then pulling on it to make sure that it is not tug free. From here, you'll take the switch section itself and just clip that on to your preferred Picatinny rail section. Now let's make sure that the unit itself turns on. We're going to take the toggle and switch that to the light and laser mode. We're going to activate it with the switch at the base of the unit. It turns on, and then let's do that again with the remote switch. And that's on too. So now we're all set. From here, you can take it to the range and zero the laser sight. Stay tuned though, and we're going to talk about how to best mount the 301 to your firearm.